Ever asked AI something and got a completely useless answer? That's not AI's fault. It's the prompt, and fixing it changes everything. That skill is called prompt engineering, and it's changing everything. Most people think AI is about coding, but here's the truth. You don't need to code to get powerful results. You just need to know how to communicate. In this video, you'll learn what prompt engineering is, why it matters, and how you can start today. Prompt engineering is simply the skill of asking better questions, giving clear instructions, getting better outputs from AI. It's about designing how AI thinks and responds. You're not just typing inputs, you're shaping outputs. Basic prompt, write about marketing. Engineered prompt, write a 150-word LinkedIn post on how AI is transforming digital marketing. Include a real-world example and a strong hook. Same AI, different instructions, completely different result.
AI tools are everywhere, but here's the reality in 2026. The people winning with AI aren't just using it, they're orchestrating it.
People are already integrating prompt engineering for writing blogs and scripts, creating social media content, automate emails, generating business ideas, learning and problem solving. Here are some examples of how they are doing it. Instead of spending hours, a marketer can say, generate 5 Instagram captions for a fitness brand targeting beginners with motivational tone and hashtags, ready to post content that saves creative effort. A professional can prompt, write a polite follow-up email for a job application sent 5 days ago. Clean, professional communication without overthinking. An entrepreneur can ask, suggest 3 low-investment online business ideas in India using AI tools with target audience and revenue model. Actionable ideas instead of generic suggestions. A student can prompt, explain machine learning in simple terms with a real-life example and step-by-step breakdown. Easier understanding compared to traditional searching.
Most people ask vague questions, skip context, trust outputs blindly. But professionals guide AI step by step, refine outputs, build workflows and systems. This isn't just a skill anymore. It's AI literacy, the bridge between your idea and an automated system.
A great prompt isn't random, it's structured. Here's the upgraded framework. Role, act as a marketing expert. Task, write a blog intro. Context, for beginners learning AI. Format, keep it engaging with a hook. Constraints, under 150 words, simple language. Logic, new, think step by step before answering. Example, act as a career coach. Write a 150-word introduction on why AI skills matter in 2026 for beginners. Keep it simple and engaging. Think step by step before finalizing. This reduces errors and improves accuracy instantly.
Act as a tech blogger. Write a 500-word article on AI in healthcare with real-world examples. A structured draft ready to edit in minutes.
Beginner, write a YouTube script on AI. Smart, act as a YouTube scriptwriter. Write a 5-minute engaging script on how AI is changing jobs in 2026. Include a hook, real examples, and a conclusion. Target beginners. Think step by step. The difference? Clarity, direction, control. That's what separates users from creators.
Prompt engineering is already being used to build AI agents, automate workflows, generate content at scale, run business operations. Even non-tech users, students, freelancers, marketers are doing this daily. This isn't the future. This is today's competitive advantage.
Here's what most people don't realize. In 2026, we're not just prompting chatbots, we're prompting AI agents. These agents can browse the web, write emails, manage tasks, automate workflows. And your prompt? That becomes the instruction system behind it. But here's the catch. AI is powerful, but not perfect. That's why real professionals review outputs, fact-check results, refine prompts continuously. This is called human-in-the-loop AI. You don't need a course to begin. Start with this. Use AI daily. Experiment with structured prompts. iterate and refine outputs. Treat AI like a collaborator, not a search engine.
Prompt engineering is not just a skill, it's a new way of thinking. In a world powered by AI, your ability to guide it will define your results. Subscribe for more insights on AI skills, workflows, and real-world strategies to stay ahead in 2026.